In a bold move to secure Jamaica's food future, CB Group announced a $1 billion investment to modernize Jamaica's egg and pork industries. It's doing so by leveraging a climate-smart technology to withstand future storms, a direct response to the devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa. Marlon Samuels has this story.
Jamaica is taking a major step towards securing its food supply against the increasing threat of climate-related disasters. In a bold move, the CB Group announced a $1 billion investment to modernize and climate-proof the country's egg and pork industries, a direct response to the recent devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa. Hurricane Melissa exposed critical vulnerabilities in Jamaica's food production, disrupting supplies and highlighting the urgent need for resilient agriculture. Recently, the CB Group launched the Time Is Now campaign, a comprehensive blueprint to transform local food industries through climate-smart technology and strategic investments.
With these investments, we are seeding and developing an integrated network of pork and egg contract growers that will be 100% tunnel ventilated modern housing. Together we will build a more efficient and resilient industry and a more independent and food secure country.
Building on their success after Hurricane Gilbert, CB Group's new initiatives include the creation of 2 state-of-the-art climate-smart pilot facilities. These will help safeguard Jamaica's food security by enhancing production resilience.
The first is a 40,000 bird tunnel ventilated modern layer farm. 2 buildings, 50,000 square feet, designed and built to withstand a Category 4 hurricane, and using what they call a colony nesting system, which really just means it's automatic picking up of the eggs, but not using cages. It will be the first of its kind in our country. The land has been cleared, the buildings have been purchased, and we expect this to be operational by September 2026. The second farm is a 640 sow commercial breeding facility. A breeding farm, just to be clear, is a farm where you birth baby piglets that will eventually get to the processing plant, which is different to a nucleus farm where you're birthing really mother pigs. This is a 40,000 square foot facility, high degree of automation. In fact, we're going to introduce something called electronic sow feeding, which means that every single mother is managed and regulated by the computer, and their diet and nutrition is tracked and monitored and measured and given to them every day automatically. But wait, we've talked about live production, right? What about the distribution? What about the processing, the storage? And that brings me to number 3. In reality, these investments will just set off a chain of future and further investments by our company. The first, a central packing house, where eggs are to be collected from the farmers, sorted, washed, packaged, and ready for distribution. The second, a liquid egg plant, which will be for the entire industry, not just for integration. And third, a new processing plant for pigs that will more than triple our current capacity.
The campaign will see an expansion in the group's contract growing programs, creating new opportunities for local investors and farmers to participate in this modernized, sustainable future. Jamaica's Agriculture Minister Floyd Green emphasized the importance of public-private collaboration in building a resilient agricultural sector.
The action that the CB Group is leading is exactly what we have been lobbying for, what we've been advocating around, what we've been looking to facilitate as a government that is dedicated to transform agriculture and that is dedicated to craft what we call a new face of food. that prioritizes our food security, that ensure that agricultural transformation is led by agribusiness, that front loads climate resilience in our agricultural ecosystem, and that focuses on export expansion.
This initiative by the CB Group promises a more secure, sustainable food future for Jamaica, protecting the nation from future storms and climate shocks, while creating economic opportunities for local farmers and investors alike. For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.